We've been making a whole bunch of upgrades to this Jeep, especially in the area of lighting, and tonight we're going to do it again. So turn signals, factory yellow, standard, boring, but American modified off-road sent us over some smoked turn signals. We're going to throw those on today, black these all out, and it's going to look great. Should just plug in, should be real easy, and that's all there is to it. So first we're just going to open up the hood. And next up we're going to remove the grill. So we're going to pull out across the top here, there are 6 of these, just plastic, basically insert rivets, buttons, whatever you want to call them. We're going to pop these all out. So now we're going to get rid of these, just pulling these out. Do it with kind of a combination of a little screwdriver, or this is a plastic removing tool. You can get these on Amazon or wherever, but they're really helpful for grabbing these kind of things out. You can just pull that up part where you can take it all the way out and just pop that right up. And then down here at the bottom of the grill, there's a series of clips, and you're going to just be trying to work these out. These all just push in. So usually I just take this tool, loosen them up, and kind of, get them started coming out. And then there's also one right above the marker light that is just a press in. So you're going to loosen these up and then basically just pull the grill out. Alright, so we got the grill here on the ground. You can see the clips that we pulled out along the bottom, the pins that we pulled out along the top, and this is what was holding right behind these turn signals in this clip here on each side. So now we're just going to pull the turn signals out, throw the new ones in. They just have these 2 clips. You can either use a screwdriver or sometimes you can just push on it with your finger. You're basically just depressing the little center pin there. The light comes right out. Grab the new one. This is that LED, and so if we were to pull this out, there's no bulb in there. You got the panel and the LEDs inside, and we're going to throw that in. Just line it up, press it in, make sure they both click in. Same thing on this side. Moving it. Pop the new one in, and we're ready to put this grill back in. Good, that's what they look like in the grill. While you got that kind of tilted out like this, plug them in. Alright, then you're just going to plug them back in the back. Got this little retainer clip here on the side. That's going to be up when it's loose. Once you get it in, you're going to push it down, lock them in. There we go. That was pretty easy. There go our LED turn signals for the Jeep JKU, JL, whatever you got. And so we just replace these. These are the smoke lenses on them and LED lights. Pretty easy installation, probably 20 minutes or so, depending on how quickly you get the grill out. If you want those, you can check out the link down below.